Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 1, Arithmetic with Whole Numbers and Money, Starred Problems from Section Course 2. Okay, so when the sum, that's an addition, answer to an addition problem of 5 and 6, is subtracted from the product, which is the answer to a multiplication problem of 5 and 6, what is the difference, which is the answer to a subtraction problem? So let's see, the sum of 5 and 6 is 11. The product of 5 and 6 is 30. And it says when the sum is subtracted from the product, we get, let's see, I think we get 18, is that right? No. Oh, sorry, trying to do math in my head doesn't work. 19. There we go. Okay. Subtrahend. So we know this has something to do with minuend minus subtrahend is equal to the difference. So that means that the 9 is going to go right there. And the difference is 8. What is the minuend? Okay, so the minuend minus 9 is equal to 8. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to do the opposite to get rid of this 9 on this side and to bring it over to this side. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. And my equal sign is going to come all the way down here, and my m is going to come all the way down here. They're getting you ready for some algebraic expressions. So negative 9 plus 9, that equals 0. So this cancels out. Okay, 8 plus 9 is 17. So let's see if that works out in the grand scheme. We're just going to check it. 17 minus 9 equals 8. So that checks out. 17 is our answer. Okay, when the product, okay, so that's the answer to a multiplication problem, of 6 and 6 is divided by the sum, which is the answer to a addition problem of 6 and 6, what is the quotient, the answer to a division problem? So I have the product, 6 times 6 is equal to 36. I have the sum, 6 plus 6 is 12. So when 36 is divided by 12, I get 3. Name the 4 fundamental operations of arithmetic: addition, subtraction, multiplication, however you choose to write it, and division. Okay. Evaluate each expression. That just means we're going to plug in numbers for n is equal to 12 and m is equal to 4. So here I have 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Here I have 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. When I have my letters right next to each other and there's not an operation there, that's multiply. So I have 12 times 4, which is 48. And then I have 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Okay, what's another name for counting numbers? Gosh, I don't know. You could call them integers. You could call them whole numbers, except 0. You could call them positive integers. Yeah. Which counting numbers are also whole numbers? All of them. What is the name for the answer to division problem? The quotient. The equation below shows the relationship of addends and their sum. So you have 2 addends equal a sum. Use the vocabulary we have learned to show the relationships in subtraction. Now, I remember many sharks died. So I have minuend plus subtrahend is equal to difference. We're out of space. Okay. Oh, and that's the end of our video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.